how to start a profitable parent stock and fertile eggs production business. Do you know, as a poultry farmer, most times the buyers determine the price you sell your broilers, because many farmers are into broiler farming, most especially those farmers that are lazy, that they don't want to stress themselves too much. They go into short-term poultry business, the one they can just finish. Some are looking for breed of broiler that they can rear in 1 week, so that they will mature in 1 week, they sell it and make their profit. They don't want to stress themselves. These poultry farmers are not making profit because most of the buyers are determining the price they will sell. You will spend their time, spend their resources, rear chicken, spend all the huge amount of money in buying feed and taking care of the poultry medications. At the end, the buyer will determine the price. They will tell you, madam, this chicken is 2,000, and you say that 2,000 to them without even recounting all your expenses. You can't even recover the investment in the business, talk of the profit, because every lazy poultry farmers want to go into broiler farming. Very short. They want quick returns. That's why the broiler market is to make profit. Diversify your business in poultry. Poultry has a lot of niches you can endeavor. So in this particular video, I want to expand your scope so that you think wider. How to start a profitable parent stock and fertile egg production business. You can produce parent stocks. You can rear parent stocks, produce fertile eggs, and make money from the fertile eggs. You can as well produce the fertile eggs and hatch it by yourself with incubator. Little investment. Then you will be selling the chicks. Whereas those broiler farmers will come and buy from you. And at any time you want, you raise the price for them. Even if you want to sell a day chick 2,000 naira, they will come and buy it, because day chick started from 60 naira, 80 naira, 100, 120, 150, to extent that they are buying a day chick 1,500 to almost 2,000. Very soon, day chicks will be sold at the rate of 5,000 naira, and they will still buy it. So why not go into parent stock and fertile egg production so that you hatch your eggs? Why they will come and buy it 5,000 naira at the chicks? They will rear it for 8 weeks and go and sell it 6,000 naira. Is it not better you do that? Please, let's use this video to diversify your scope so that you think wider. Do you want to start a profitable poultry parent stock and fertile egg production business? This particular video is for you. This business is a great way to make money by selling fertile eggs and supplying hatcheries. In this particular video, I will show you simple and easy steps to start and succeed in this fertile egg and parent stock business. Let's begin now. Step to start a poultry parent stock fertile egg business. Step 1 is choose the right poultry breed. Which particular breed do you want to go in for? Are you going in for broiler? Do you want to broiler parent stock? Broiler parent stocks are there for you to buy. Do you want to go into broilers fertile eggs? The parent stocks are there for you to buy. You rear the parent stock. Within 6 months, they will start laying fertile eggs for you. The same measures you use to keep the meat broilers, it's the same measure you use, just a little addition. You still get your parent stock, and they will continue laying for you for over 12 months, and you make money. Parent stock and fertile eggs are very expensive and highly profitable. Choose the right breed. Do you want to go into layers parent stock? Choose by yourself. Do you want to go into turkey, hybrid turkey? Choose. Select high quality parent stock, broilers or layers or noilers. Noiler is very good also. It's a very good one also, or broiler, depending on your own region. Buy from trusted hatcheries to get disease-free birds. If you are buying the parent stock, please make sure you buy from a very reputable hatchery so that you not get third-class parent stock or sick birds. So once you get sick birds, your downfall have started from there. Step 2, build a proper poultry house. That is very important. a proper poultry house, you must have a very good poultry house. Your poultry farm should be well situated in a strategic place that is very far from residential buildings, so that you have enough land, enough space, and cool environment for your chicken. Chickens doesn't like noisy environment. They don't lay well if they are in a noisy environment. And you have a very good ventilation, proper spacing, and nesting areas. Use strong fencing to keep birds safe from predators. Remember, we have livestock rustlers. They will come and steal your eggs and chickens if you don't secure your place. A video is coming on that. I'm going to expose something to you. Please make sure you watch that video on the activities of the livestock rustlers. Step 3, set up a breeding system. Maintain a healthy male to female ratio. 1 rooster to 8 to 10 hens. 1 male to 8 to 10 females. That is 1 rooster for 8 to 10 hens. Please, so that you can get a very good fertile egg. 1 rooster for 8 to 10 hens is proper. Keep records of mating and egg production. It's very important. Step 4, provide nutritious feed and clean water. These are all the things you need. They need steady clean water always. Please always make use of this our Eco Bio Boost in your production. This is a liquid tea for your poultry birds to grow and lay mighty eggs and good quality eggs. For your broilers, you get maximum weight within a short period of time. This is you can see this is 5 liters. We still have it in 1 liter, 2 liter. This 5 liter is 50k, 50,000 naira. If you need it, tell us your location, and once you make payment, we will bill it to you. You get the best result from your poultry farming. Step 5, maintain strict biosecurity and disease control. Keep the farm clean and disinfect regularly so that there will be no infection, because parent stock don't need to be infected. If they are infected, their young chicks will be infected and you have a very poor result. Vaccinate birds on time to prevent diseases. Step 6, collect and store fertile eggs properly. Collect eggs 2 to 3 times daily to avoid breakage and spoilage. Store eggs at 16 to 18 degrees centigrade with proper humidity before incubation. The next step is step 7, sell fertile eggs or hatched chicks. You can sell many farmers need fertile eggs that they want to hatch. Some have incubators and they set up hatchery business, but they don't have the fertile eggs. They will come and buy for you at a very good price and you make money while they hatch and sell the day-old chicks. So sell to them, to farmers that are into breeding. Market your business online and offline for more customers. If you are ready to go into this business, let us talk on the comment section. For the incubators, we have them here. We can at the same time provide the incubators for you. And if this video blesses you, this is the kind of topic you like, please give this video a thumb up immediately. Thumb up, it doesn't cost you any data to tap thumb up and like the video. Share the video to reach more farmers. Starting a poultry parent stock and fertile egg production business is a great way to make steady income as a poultry farmer. So by following all the whole simple steps I'm giving you in this particular video, you can build a successful and profitable poultry farm. Start today and grow your business in short. Share this video to reach more farmers, give it a thumb up, and at the same time join our channel community by selecting any of the membership group. Then you become a full member of this particular channel. The channel will give you a tag, that is a logo, to identify you as a channel member. Your comments and your queries will be well attended to and will also help you to attend to your farm issues at proper time. You get unlimited access to our guide to help you grow your business so that you will not have issues. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please watch the next video loading very soon. Till then, I'll say bye for now.